There are specific signs the body can send when it's beginning to run low on an essential nutrient like magnesium. This mineral plays a central role in countless vital functions, and when its levels drop, the body may react in unexpected ways. Let's take a look at 12 unusual signs that could indicate the need to increase your magnesium intake. Magnesium is often underconsumed in modern diets due to processed food habits, low vegetable intake, and other lifestyle factors. Always remembering that any changes to your diet should be discussed with your healthcare provider. Involuntary muscle twitches. One of the first warning signs is involuntary muscle twitches, such as those affecting the eyelids. These small spasms are caused by overstimulated nerves, which happens when there's not enough magnesium to balance the influx of calcium into nerve cells. The result is excessive nerve activity that leads to muscular spasms. High consumption of sugary drinks or refined foods may also contribute to this issue. Frequent nighttime awakenings. Another common sign is waking up during the night, especially in the early morning hours. This can result from elevated cortisol levels, the stress hormone, which interferes with the body's natural sleep rhythms. Supplementing with magnesium can promote deeper, more continuous sleep by helping regulate nighttime hormone levels. Irritability and mood swings. Mood swings, irritability, or nervousness after skipping a meal may be linked to a drop in blood sugar levels. In such cases, the body struggles to generate enough energy. Taking magnesium along with potassium and sodium can support electrolyte balance and improve the body's response during fasting. Heart palpitations and irregular heartbeat. If your heartbeat feels irregular or you notice a strange pulsing sensation in your chest, this could be a red flag. Magnesium is essential for proper heart muscle function, and a deficiency may disrupt normal cardiac contraction. Magnesium glycinate is one of the most recommended forms to help address these symptoms due to its high absorbability and gentle effect on the digestive system. Compared to other forms like magnesium oxide or carbonate, which are less bioavailable and more likely to cause digestive discomfort, glycinate is better tolerated and more effective for daily supplementation. High blood pressure. Elevated blood pressure may result from stiffened arteries caused by calcium buildup. Magnesium helps relax the arterial walls, easing blood flow and reducing the workload on the heart. In some cases, high blood pressure is accompanied by headaches and migraines. Constipation. Difficulty in passing stool may be due to an overly contracted colon. Magnesium relaxes the smooth muscles of the intestinal tract, promoting bowel movement. Magnesium citrate is particularly effective, offering both a muscle-relaxing and an osmotic effect that softens stools. Bone pain and fragility. Bone health relies on multiple factors, including adequate magnesium levels. Magnesium works in synergy with vitamin D and calcium. Vitamin D promotes calcium absorption in the gut, while magnesium activates vitamin D and helps transport calcium into the bones, preventing it from settling in soft tissues. A chronic deficiency may lead to brittle bones, pain, and increased risk of osteoporosis. Joint stiffness and pain. Stiff or painful joints may be linked to magnesium deficiency, which also affects vitamin D activation. When calcium deposits outside the joints, it can trigger inflammation and stiffness. A lack of copper and vitamin C can worsen the issue, as both are vital for collagen production. Persistent anxiety and nervousness. Constant anxiety, racing thoughts, and a heightened state of alertness often stem from an electrolyte imbalance. Magnesium and potassium from green vegetables, along with vitamin B1, support the nervous system and help restore calm and stability. Uncontrollable cravings for chocolate. An intense craving for chocolate may have a biochemical basis. Stress depletes magnesium reserves, prompting the body to seek it out through cocoa, a natural magnesium source. However, oxalates in chocolate can bind to magnesium and reduce its absorption, creating a vicious cycle. Stiff hands and feet. If your hand muscles stiffen and curl into a claw-like shape, magnesium deficiency could be to blame. This condition may also affect your feet, particularly at night while resting. Magnesium is key for regulating muscle contraction and relaxation, helping to prevent sudden spasms. Frequent muscle cramps. Cramps, especially in the legs or neck, are another common indicator. To counter them, it's beneficial to consume a mix of electrolytes like magnesium, potassium, calcium, and sodium, ideally from plant-based sources. This supports normal muscle function. Respiratory issues. Asthma. Breathing difficulties, such as asthma symptoms, can also improve with magnesium intake. This mineral helps relax the airways and facilitates easier breathing. A combination of magnesium, vitamin D3, and vitamin K2 can further enhance lung function. Why magnesium deficiency is so widespread. Knowing whether you're deficient in magnesium isn't easy. Only a small amount of the mineral circulates in the blood. Standard blood tests often fail to detect mild or moderate deficiencies, so it's essential to be mindful of bodily signs. Magnesium is involved in hundreds of chemical reactions, including DNA synthesis, nerve transmission, and energy production. A daily intake of at least 400 to 800 milligrams is needed, but often not met. Many people consume too few vegetables, the primary natural source of magnesium. Chlorophyll, the green pigment in plants, contains magnesium, so a vegetable-poor diet leads to deficiencies. Other factors also hinder magnesium absorption. Phytic acid in whole grains can bind to magnesium, making it unavailable. Fructose and refined sugars deplete it, as the liver uses extra magnesium to process them. Soda drinks, high in phosphoric acid, acidify the blood and disrupt cellular magnesium absorption. In agriculture, magnesium-free fertilizers leave the soil and food low in this nutrient. Chronic stress and elevated cortisol levels further drain magnesium reserves. Some medications, like diuretics and antacids, also impair magnesium availability. Vitamin D deficiency, often caused by lack of sun exposure, worsens the situation. How to naturally boost magnesium levels. To naturally boost your magnesium intake, include a large salad in your daily meals with leafy greens like arugula, lettuce, kale, cucumber, and watercress. Other great sources include pumpkin seeds, plain yogurt, oily fish, and unrefined sea salt. A daily magnesium glycinate supplement is ideal for achieving the 200 milligram target. If you practice intermittent fasting, it's helpful to drink water mixed with high-quality electrolyte powders and a pinch of sea salt to maintain mineral balance during fasting periods. If symptoms like rapid heartbeat or cramps appear during fasting, it's wise to pause and resume gradually. It's also important to reduce intake of processed foods, sugars, refined grains, and vegetable oils, which deplete magnesium. Opting for quality protein sources like chicken, salmon, beef, and shellfish can help support a more balanced, nourishing diet. Supplementing with vitamin D3 also aids magnesium absorption. Types of magnesium. Which one to choose? The best options are magnesium glycinate, citrate, and threonate, each with unique benefits. Glycinate is highly tolerable and has a low risk of gastrointestinal side effects, making it perfect for daily use. Citrate is especially helpful for those with constipation due to its mild laxative effect, though it may not be suitable for individuals with very sensitive digestion or those prone to diarrhea, as it can sometimes cause loose stools. Threonate is best for cognitive support, as it easily crosses the blood-brain barrier and acts directly in the brain. Your choice should depend on your individual goals and health needs. If you're looking to improve cognitive function, Magnesium L-threonate is worth considering. This unique form is known for effectively crossing the blood-brain barrier, making it ideal for enhancing brain function. Unlike other forms, such as citrate or glycinate, L-threonate has been studied for its benefits on short and long-term memory, focus, and learning. Though it comes at a higher cost, it causes fewer digestive issues and offers targeted neurological support, and it is generally considered suitable for long-term use. However, as with any supplement, it's advisable to consult a healthcare provider for personalized guidance, perfect for students, professionals, or anyone aiming to enhance mental performance. Which types of magnesium to avoid? Be cautious when selecting supplements. Avoid forms like magnesium oxide, sulfate, carbonate, or hydroxide. These types are poorly absorbed by the body, meaning they deliver minimal benefits and may pass through the digestive system without being effectively utilized. Additionally, they can cause gastrointestinal side effects, such as bloating, gas, or diarrhea in some individuals. These types are poorly absorbed and may cause unwanted side effects. In conclusion, understanding magnesium's role and recognizing signs of deficiency is a crucial step toward better health and quality of life. This essential mineral supports many bodily systems, including the heart, muscles, brain, and bones. And its deficiency can lead to a wide range of symptoms that often go unnoticed or misdiagnosed. Proper supplementation through food or high-quality products can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. By adopting a diet rich in leafy greens, seeds, and whole foods, and being mindful of stress levels and medication use, you can help restore and maintain optimal magnesium levels. Making these small yet impactful changes may not only address current deficiencies, but also contribute to long-term vitality and resilience. I would love to hear what you think in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any content, and thanks for watching this video.